Hey guys, this is Rob with NextGenWriter here. Today we're just going to do a short little video and I'm going to show you how you can go into your AlienRider M2 Pro and go through a little self-test and check functionality on the system. So from home screen, you want to go into settings, then select firmware version, and then you just want to touch version and it'll go into the test. It'll bring up your cameras over here to the right. Here on the left, you have your lists of tests that you can perform, and it does the last three automatically. You can see your gravity sensor values here. There's something called a cast test. Not sure what that's about. It runs a quick test on your TF card, and then you can manually go in and test these functions. So the first one is brightness test. It just gives you the slider to make sure it's performing well. Then you pass. Now you have a button test. This could be kind of handy if you're curious if your buttons are operating properly. Press button 1, you get green indications. Button 2 goes green, then button 3 goes green. Lets you know your buttons are communicating with the display. So you can pass that. Next is a screen test. It's going to let you check each quadrant or far corner of each quadrant. And then you can go and do a localized test across the screen. Next is going to be the recording test. So you'll select record, and then it'll capture your voice. And you're looking for this to go into a green area. And then you can pass that. This is auxiliary test. I'm not going to bother with that one. I don't know of anyone that uses auxiliary port on the M2 Pro. We'll just pass through there. Now it's going to check the Bluetooth. And you want to hit start. And it's going to check the Wi-Fi as well. I think this is the one where you have to actually get through there twice. Okay. And then it tells you all tests have been completed. So just kind of a basic little self-test for the AlienRider M2 Pro, just to, if you have any concerns and it could be useful for you, if you're having trouble with your unit, you can jump in here and do a self-test. Thanks for watching.